everybody, I'm Nina and today I wanted to review a product. Exciting, I know! No, but actually a few days ago my graphic tablet broke and I really liked it. It's actually this one right here. It's my trusty old bamboo fun graphic tablet from Wacom or Wacom or whatever. So now that I won't be needing this anymore, I guess I can just let it go. So if you didn't read the title, or if you came from my Instagram account and still didn't read the title, then I have bought a new graphic tablet and it's amazing, let me tell you. Because it has some kind of cool new technology where you could put a piece of paper on the tablet, take any pen you want and just draw on the paper and it will automatically transfer whatever you're drawing to your computer. And that's so cool. I feel like that's exactly what I needed. And this one is the one I bought. Look how cool it looks. But I know if you clicked on this video to find out how this tablet is and if it's worth buying, then you won't be as excited about the packaging. Though I have to say, click on the video I did before this one and it will make sense why I'm very excited about the packaging, because I just love packaging and I'm the cardboard box girl. So, you might be now very excited because the tablet comes with the tablet. Who would have thought? And I do have to say, I already opened everything, so I already knew that it would be like this. I won't go too much into detail what you can already find, like things on the YouTube account from ISKN. And I did try to film myself drawing a little bit and to show how the process is from drawing on paper and having the same thing appear on the screen. In general, as you can tell by the way I'm talking, I'm excited about the idea. I think that's really cool that you can just take any kind of paper, which will fit the metallic ring, of course. I just did the meme. Sorry. What have I noticed while drawing? The only two things are, which I do have to admit, you can't use the whole space if you want to use it as a graphic tablet. It's still quite a big space. Please don't judge my drawings. I did it fast while recording, which I haven't ever done, so I was under stress. And I hope this kind of excuses it. As you can see right here, the tablet. This is where you can use the tablet as just a graphic tablet. So it won't be from here, well, basically the whole paper here. It's just this kind of smaller space. I'm fine with that. I don't really mind it because I have two monitors, and when I used my old tablet it automatically only had a smaller space which I could use, so I was kind of used to that, and I feel it's kind of the same space I can use now as I did on my old tablet. But then the second thing also is that I feel like should be mentioned. You can really see it in the recordings I did earlier. When you draw on paper, it's all fine, but in the moment where you decide to take a break or something, or just hold your pen differently or pencil, then sometimes the tablet gets confused, especially in smaller details. So, or the first time when I started drawing, it was the same thing. So I started drawing a face, just, I don't know, trying out some things. But then when I came to the eyes and I kind of very drastically decided to change the way I held the pencil, it's not 100% correct. So for example, if you draw like this and just do something, I don't know, some kind of eye, then it's all fine. But the moment you start to use the pencil like this, for example, then I suppose the kind of distance here changes or something. I don't know, that's my logical explanation for that, and it can't quite measure correctly where the pen is actually going. So I feel like that's kind of a bigger issue, especially if you only want to use this tablet for drawing. This might be quite hindering. I don't know, maybe there's something different. I do have to say that I really wanted this one because it looked cool and I wanted it for a year already. I generally like it. It's really nice, especially it doesn't feel strange to have this metallic thing right here. It's pretty naturally. Just as I said, if you really want to use it to draw, then there is kind of a delay, well, not delay, distance. There's sometimes a distance when you're drawing. And now I kind of want to summarize everything. If you are someone who kind of wants to use the tablet as a mixture between using it as a graphic tablet and also sometimes drawing some things with it, then I would say yes, buy it. Because I don't feel like it's so much of an issue that sometimes kind of the distance isn't correct and the eyes are a little bit more to the left, like a centimeter or so. I mean, it's still quite a lot, but you can fix that pretty easily. You can just erase a few things and you're done. But I do have to say, if you're someone who really wants to get the details done, I'm not sure if that's the right thing for you. I don't know if there is another product similar to this. I feel like Wacom has another product similar, but I don't know. So I can just say from experience, this one I have right here is pretty lightweight and I could just take it everywhere I need it. And that's perfectly for me, because sometimes I just need to take my MacBook right here, have my graphic tablet with me, and if it's super heavy then I can't really work with it, or it will annoy me actually. But yeah, so for me this is perfect, but you have to decide for yourself if you can live with sometimes it being not 100% accurate. So I suppose this was my review. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please click the like button down below. And if you want to stay tuned for future videos, then I would gladly appreciate it if you would subscribe also down below. And I guess I will see you then in the next video. Bye!